Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your constant contact account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create a constant contact email capture form? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an email capture form anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to capture emails. And with constant contact, they let you set up various forms that you can post in your YouTube videos, in Facebook, or wherever you like to capture your emails. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your constant contact account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my constant contact account and this is the home screen. Now, in order to create a form to capture emails, what you're going to do is click on marketing here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click on this one here called sign up forms. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these landing page forms that you've already created. If you don't have one set up already, what you're going to do is click on create a sign up form. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and choose what type of sign up form you want to create, whether it's going to be a pop-up for your website. For me, I'm going to go ahead and create a sign up landing page, and this way I can share it on my YouTube videos to capture emails. So I'm going to click right here. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and create a landing page to capture emails. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and name your page by clicking up here on the left, and then you want to go ahead and name this landing page. So for me, I'll go ahead and name this as YouTube email capture landing page. All right, so I'm going to click save. Next, you can go ahead and add an image. So this might be your brand if you want. So just click on here and then you're going to go ahead and replace the image. All right, here you can go ahead and create in Canva if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and just upload an image. Okay, so I chose an image. I'm going to click on upload files. Okay, so I'm going to choose the image and I'm going to go ahead and insert. Okay, so now you can see my image has changed for my email capture landing page. And then by default, it's asking for first name, last name, and email. So this is really going to depend on your strategy or your users. You can click into the form and then change that around. So for example, maybe I don't want the last name to be added. So I can just click on the field. So for example, last name, and then up here on the top, you can see a trash can. Okay. Now, once we're in the form, we can go ahead and add another field by clicking up here. And let's say maybe I want their city. So I'll click on city. Right now, city has been added. Okay. So let me go back on form fields. And then here you can go ahead and change around the lettering by clicking in here. And you can see, you can delete this and go ahead and type in whatever works for your online business. And that looks pretty good to me. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on continue here on the top right. Okay, before I can continue, they're asking me to go ahead and disclose what list these folks should be added into. So I have one list right here, but again, these folks are going to be emails from YouTube. So maybe I'll go ahead and create a list and I'll just type it in as YouTube videos. So that way I know these folks came from my YouTube videos, not general contacts, and I'll click on create. Okay, so now we can go ahead and review what we've done. So we got the sign up form that we put the city right there. We also changed around the word. We added an image, and then you can look over here on the thank you page. All right, so this one says thank you for signing up. We didn't add an image, but you can go ahead and go back and add that in. And then here we can go ahead and name the page title. So instead of sign up, stay in touch, sign up for YouTube make money tips. All right, so that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Right now, you do have to activate this in order for it to work. They do let you know that nothing's going to be sent to anybody, so don't worry. So go ahead and click on activate. Okay, so now my email capture landing page is active. So I can go ahead and click on share, or I can go ahead and just right click on this link right here and copy link. And now I can go ahead and post this link into my YouTube videos or wherever you normally share your email capture landing page. So that way, when someone clicks on it, it's going to bring them to the page that we designed so they can go ahead and enter in their first name, their email, and their city. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an email capture landing page in your constant contact account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.